What's up? This is Johnny Snow back in the building. Today, we're going to take a look at this NAK9. Alright, this is one of my Draco NAK9s. Alright, this has W.A.S. WoodTworks wood on it. I have a Kyber Customs cheese grater. I have a muzzle device that I got from U.S. Machine Guns. And I basically just changed out the wood on this and I shot it for the first time. So we finna get some first shots off of the Draco NAK9. Let's go ahead and go check that out, see if she can make it all the way through the magazine.
Finna shoot it, make sure it can cycle through a whole magazine, no problem. Alright. Ears on.
Alright, she's shooting good. She's shooting real good. And you may have noticed that I did not have this magazine on here when I shot it. I use this. I use got Glock magazines. I use the Glock magazine which I also did on this Pack 9. Use the Glock magazine. You could check out the Pack 9 video. It's loaded up as well because these magazines are very hard to load. The spring is tight, and it just I hate loading this magazine. So that being said, I wanted to do a full magazine. So doing the full magazine, I use that one instead of this one.
NAK9. No problem. Went all the way through.
But for the most part, I love this gun. I love this gun. There was no malfunctions. It was very fun to shoot. And this right here gives you the AK platform in 9mm. I mean, 7.62 goes straight through your wall. 9mm. It seems like it'll be something that you could possibly use for home protection. I have a big shotgun that I use. Big holes, put slugs through anything come through my door. But other people may want to use a 9mm. And this right here is a very viable option. Very viable options. Like I said, this wood, you can check it out. This wood came from W.A.S. WoodTworks. W.A.S. WoodTworks, and it is absolutely beautiful. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so you can see what I do with all these guns. Have a few more that I'm testing. Check it out. So hit that like and subscribe. Johnny Snow, bye.